Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I'm gonna tell you how you can make an entertaining game for your viewers. Here you can take your iPad and open a page A4. I'm taking A4. A4 is a good size to make anything. It's not so big, not so small. So here I am teaching you the game, like the people are making find the old emoji or like that stuff. That is the game is going on in the Facebook, in the YouTube in these days, so viral. So I'm teaching you how to make this. For that you can take a page of A4 and you can take your brush of your choice, whatever brush you are mostly using for your drawings. So I'm also taking one, and for that I'm making one emoji. For here I decided to make not a basic emoji. I will make some different ones, so like people will like it and attract because of maybe this emoji. So here I have planned to make one cute cookie, chocolate chip cookie. I have to plan to make chocolate chip cookie here. So I'm making chocolate chip cookie and I'm filling it with the brown color, as the cookie has a brown color. So I'm as well as I'm also making chocolate chip on this, so it will looking more attractive and yummy. So look, see, one cookie is done. Yeah, so it's about to finish. Now what I will going to do now, I will duplicate this layer. Yeah, now I duplicate this layer and going to give it mirror effect. Yeah, now here you go, here is two cookie, but make sure the both cookie has the same size. So yeah, this is a game rule, the both cookie has the same size now. So now as I told you before, that is find the odd one out. This is the game is like that, so we have to make sure we have to change the other cookie color. So I'm going to change the color of this cookie. I'm giving it a light brown color to make it odd. Now you see it's a odd color now. So now what I will do, actually I'm also making a game to play with you all my viewers. So I made this lipstick emoji, so I will continue this procedure in front of you, how I'm making this game. So now I'm going to duplicate all the brown color lipstick, because here I made one brown and one pink. Brown I will make all the brown, and the pink one is a odd one. So now I'm going to duplicate all the browns. Yeah, so it's a very good game. Like, you also make like that game, you will love it while making and while playing with your viewers also. Everybody love this game a lot. So what I was feeling, like pink color is looking so like the people can quickly recognize this color, so that's why I'm making it brown color, to make them more like to think, to stop, to view my video little more. So I make it brown. So yeah, so now if you want to upload from your iPad, you can upload, or if you want to upload from your phone, so you can share to your phone. Here you can press share, and then press this JPG button, and then press it, and also as well as you can save it to your iPad also. For the safety, it will not delete from there. So yeah, so this is the game, like you can make it and play with your audience. I hope you love this game. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.